I read a book recently about this medallion fund and how they use quant slash algo trading to sort of collect data, crunch it, and do whatever. They have some 60% return every year. And the important part in that book, I felt, was they said the profits come from other traders. And then it's suddenly, I'm thinking, yes, people do learn technical analysis, but a very few of them really end up being successful. How does one change that? How do they compete with these guys who've got huge pockets, deep pockets, fancy math degrees, and here we are with plain and simple technical analysis? So what should we really look at? How do these guys deal with analysis like that? I don't even know if it makes sense. Do you think it makes sense?
Well, in a way it does if you're shorter term oriented and you don't care. But if you're putting real money into it, your own money into it, or someone else's money, you're gonna want more information than that. That's why I call it fusion analysis. Take all the pieces and put together. I have to tell you, when I was with Prudential, I had a product called Thrice Blessed.
Okay.
And what I would do once a month, I'd go down to the fundamental analysts, and we had quite a few analysts. I'd say, give me all your buy ideas. So maybe they had 150 names. I take that list and I bring it to the quant department. I said, how many of these do you like? And maybe he likes 100 out of 150. And I take that 100, I go to my office and I see what charts I like. Maybe it's 75.
Yeah.
That was Thrice Blessed. I had more people tell me that was the greatest product because I did their homework.
Makes a lot of sense.
I think if you're serious, try to do it that way. That's my opinion.
And I think that would be a great takeaway for all the people getting into this line. For one reason, Ralph is saying it. So
Yeah,
that's,
no.
that's,
but it's
that's good enough.
It's really logical.
Yes.
You think about it. We like charts and all. Okay, that's fine. But the real world, people don't know that. And it's not even that they don't know it. They hear or they read something, or they're driving a new car and they say, wow, we like this car. Maybe we should buy it, or a new product. So they can sense the object before they buy the company.
Yes.
So you got to respect the fact that people think about companies, and they should. What does this company do? Who's their competition? I'd like to know, and I'd like to know if the management is good or not.
Yes.
Yeah.
And probably they'll spend more time looking at cards and comparing them than when they go to buy the stock.
Yes, exactly right. Of course, isn't that amazing? You're absolutely right. Yeah. They do a lot of test driving.
Yeah.
Yes.
They will. They'll do that, and they'll take the family to see it as well.
Yeah.
That's what we do here as well.
Yeah.
I mean, so it's nothing
That's
different.
Cute. Yeah. That's cute. Yeah.